How to fix Microsoft Teams not showing status on Windows 10. To fix Microsoft Teams not showing status on Windows 10, try 1. Try Microsoft Teams for web browsers, mobile apps for Android and / or iOS. 2. Reset the status. 3. Enable Teams only for coexistence mode under Teams upgrade. Restart Teams app. 4. Uncheck or temporarily enable Register Teams as the chat app for Office. 5. Backup then delete the settings.json. File at %of data %\Microsoft /Teams folder. 6. Log out then back to your Teams account. 7. Sign out from all other unused accounts and then sign into the one only. 8. Delete the following files and folders from %of data %\Microsoft /Teams, application cache /cache, block _storage, cache, databases, GPO cake, index DB, local storage, to delete Teams cache files. Reboot your computer. 9. Remove, using the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide, then reinstall the MS Teams app. 10. Update Microsoft Teams and Windows.